will reach out to the people all over the world to spread the sunnah. I will reach out to the people all over the world to spread the sunnah. All over the world to spread the sunnah.
It has been clearly declared in a hadith sharif that seeing the face of an alim is worship. In seeing the parents with love, there is a reward of 1 accepted hajj. Even if he sees 100 times daily, he would get the reward of 100 hajj. So do you see an alim with the intention of sawab? Mostly I've noticed that some people make gossips openly and the gazes are free to see in the surroundings, but still they say that we hear the honor to see you. Why do you tell lies? Why do you try to deceive others? Some say we are just crazy about you and are having the honor to see you. If this state agrees with your heart, then it's okay. If it isn't, then tubu ilallah. There was such a golden period that we used to hear that well-behaved children did not dare to have eye-to-eye contact while talking to their parents. But nowadays, undutiful children, they dare to talk to the parents by staring at them. It is a kind of disrespect, as naturally your gazes should be kept low for those who are respectable. O Allah bestows His grace that we have the honor to see the Holy Prophet. If the Prophet came to us, would you then look at him with wide open eyes? Automatically the gazes will be lowered. And why will these come low? Respect. The more respectable the personality that you meet, the more respect he has. That is how much your gazes will become low, and your speaking tone will turn low. Your voice will gain an aura of concentration and humility. That will come inside you. Whenever you pay a visit to an alim, saint or sheikh, and you visit him, you will talk to him in a low voice. But when you meet your friend, it's blah 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 blah, and you're talking to him and yelling at him freely. This is how you talk to him. You need to think about this.
Chup re Sita moti milsan, chup re Sita moti milsan, je sabr kare ta hire, je pagala vangu rola pave, na moti na hire.
I will read